Are you planning to build a website for your business and not sure which platform to use? You are in the right place, because in this video I'll be giving you 5 reasons why WordPress is the best solution for your business. Hey guys, Alex here from Brilliant Digital, teaching you how to get more out of your website. As a web design agency, we chose WordPress as the main platform to build websites for our clients. And in this quick video, I'm planning to show you the main benefits why WordPress is the way to go. But before we do that, what exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a very powerful and flexible platform that allows us, you, me, to build a website. Another term you might hear which is relevant to WordPress, it's CMS, Content Management System. A CMS allows you to create, edit and publish your content online on the web. I won't bore you with all the technical details. There are plenty of other articles who do just that. Just know that WordPress hasn't always been like this. First time I came across WordPress was back in 2005 roughly, where I was just playing around with different other platforms. WordPress at that time was very popular in the blogging industry. And now, a decade later, they grew to be the best CMS out there, holding over 60% of the market share in this category, while the second place is taken by Joomla with just 5.2. Now that's a huge difference, 60% WordPress, 5.2 on the second place by Joomla. That's an amazing difference, you know. The numbers speak for themselves as to why you should use WordPress for your website, but let's have a look at a few more reasons. Number 1, it's more affordable. Websites built on WordPress tend to be a lot cheaper than if you were to build everything from scratch. No, it has nothing to do with the quality of the final product. It's the fact that WordPress, it's a software that comes with a lot of, let's call it, pre-built functionality, which allows us to build a website much faster rather than having to code every single feature from scratch. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to poo-poo the traditional web development side of things. That has its uses. In 90% of cases, WordPress plus a few extra plugins, we call them, can accommodate any type of website. However, yes, there are certain scenarios where you might need a completely built from scratch solution. That's basically where a web development solution will come in. Number 2, WordPress is a popular option and it's rapidly growing. It's currently powering over 34% of all websites on the internet. That's a 4% increase from last year. And as I mentioned earlier, out of all content management systems out there, WordPress is the top option with a 60% market share. Having such a big user base, you know you're on the right platform, but there are a few benefits out of this. For example, it has a huge community, so if you ever need help with your website, or let's say you can't get hold of your web designer, you know, with WordPress you will never be stranded, as you'll always be able to find someone to help you. And the other thing is that there are plenty of tutorials and guides out there, so if you want to take the matter in your own hands, learn how to use WordPress, you won't be disappointed, as there are thousands of tutorials on Google and YouTube. Still not convinced? Let's have a quick look at some big brands who are using WordPress for their website, just as an example. Microsoft News, Katy Perry, Sweden official website, even Mercedes-Benz, they all use WordPress for their websites. Number 3, it's fairly easy to use. WordPress is a content management system, which means it allows you to control the website in a fairly easy way. Instead of you having to edit the source code of a website, WordPress comes with an easy to use interface, or you might call it admin panel, where you can add new posts, pages, install new plugins, themes and a lot more. I guess the other thing is, and this is probably where I'm probably shooting myself in the foot, is the fact that you don't really need to completely rely on a web developer once the website has been launched. Clients love it because it's very easy to use, so if they're happy, I'm happy. Number 4, WordPress is a very flexible platform. You can start from a simple website, you want to add a few more pages later on, that's no problem. You decide you want to open a shop, sell a product, we can do that as well. You can create pretty much anything you want on WordPress: brochure sites, e-commerce, online shops, membership sites, blogs, landing pages, sales pages, you name it. And the last point for this video, number 5, Google loves WordPress. We build a website because we want to rank it in Google, right? Who doesn't want some free organic traffic? No, that does not mean you suddenly build a website on WordPress and overnight you'll reach position 1 in Google, and be aware of those people who promise you that, because it's not gonna happen. What it means is, because WordPress has a history as a blogging tool, a CMS that allows people to easily publish content, very quickly it got into Google's good books, because Google loves new fresh content. You might have even heard the saying, content is the new SEO. Now that, combined with the WordPress flexibility of allowing us to install plugins to extend its functionality, we can install an SEO plugin and we can use that to optimize the content even further, to make it easier for Google to read your website, to read your page basically, and assess how it should rank in the search results. The more you optimize the content, the higher the chances that you will be ranked in top results. Now SEO, it is a little bit more complicated than that, so we'll probably leave that for another video. There you have it, guys. These are our top reasons why we think you should choose WordPress as your next website platform. Not only that you will save time and money on the initial website build, but it will also make it easier for you to manage the website in the future and allow you to expand as your business grows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We welcome your comments, your questions in the comment section below, and if you're watching this from YouTube, consider subscribing. I'm Alex from Brilliant Digital, and I'll see you in the next video.